Hey loves, it's Aiko. Today I'm doing something I've never done before. I'm taking all three of my rescue chihuahuas on a hike. No expectations, just fresh air, tiny paws, and seeing what happens. Let's go. This is honestly the pace my dogs move at. And rescuing chihuahuas has taught me so much patience because of it. They all have totally different personalities and energy levels. One of them is already way ahead of us on the trail, and the others are stopping every 2 seconds. When I first adopted them, none of them even knew how to walk on a leash. We had to learn everything from scratch. So yeah, this hike isn't fast, but it's kind of perfect for us. This stretch of the trail felt really easy. Smooth path, good views, nothing complicated. And the rocks didn't slow them down at all. They just adjusted and kept going, which honestly made me really proud of them. This is where the hike started to change a little. The trail got more steep and the sand slowly started turning into rocks. We definitely had to slow down here and be more intentional with each step. But honestly, this was my favorite part. The air felt noticeably fresher up here, and the views just kept getting better the higher we went. Everything felt quieter somehow, like we were really in it now, just walking, breathing, and taking it all in together. This is where we started seeing a lot more people on the trail, and I actually love that hikers always say hi and look out for each other. Also, you'll probably notice me suddenly jogging here because one of my dogs decided a small child needed to be chased. Nothing like a quick sprint to keep things exciting. This was about as far as we could go. After this, the trail got way too steep for little chihuahua legs. And honestly, having dogs with totally different energy levels really works in my favor. There's always at least one of them sitting behind the camera on my bag, completely unbothered doing his own thing. And that gives me space to let the more curious ones explore a little. I really love moments like this. Being outside in nature, trying something new together. These little adventures feed me in a way nothing else does. They keep my perspective fresh, my creativity flowing, and I'm genuinely so grateful I get to experience this with them. This is where we turned around and headed back to the car. Everyone needed water and snacks, including me. You could tell the dogs were starting to slow down, still interested in everything, just more tired. This is usually the moment I'm glad I pay attention to them instead of pushing it. It felt good knowing we did enough today. Just walking back, a little tired, a little happy, and already thinking about doing this again. For some of you, you already know this about me, and for others, this might be the first time you're seeing this side of my life. A huge part of how I move through the world and how I create is my yoga practice. It's not really about poses for me, it's about checking in, slowing down, and listening. After being out here for a while, it just feels good. A quick stretch, a few breaths, and I'm ready to head back. After an adventure like this, they're always very excited to be back at the car, mostly because they know snack time is coming. This is honestly the best time to practice commands with them. They're super food motivated and completely locked in. If you're curious, they're eating dehydrated chicken breast and a little bit of organic apple. Simple, easy, and very much approved by all three of them. And just like that, we're wrapping things up. Socks back on, shoes on, dog settled, and we're ready to head home. This was their very first hike, and honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better day. Slow, simple, and exactly what we needed. Thank you for spending time with us. If you enjoyed coming along, you can like the video or subscribe to stay for more of these little adventures. I'll see you next time.